Welcome to the Ferndale Math Department's Geometry STEM Tutorials. You are in the 21st video of the Rhino Skills and Commands playlist. Let's learn about explode and extend. All right, down here in this block, this is really what we're doing. We are working on this hexagon, and we're throwing lines out from extending all of the sides of this hexagon. All right, so I'm going to delete everything and start over. Let's see. We'll start with the hexagon. So polygon, enter. Number of sides, we'll do 6, enter. And this time I'm going to make it inscribed. So, ooh, you know, I just really like polygon edge. I think I can't do it now. So polygon, number of sides 6, enter, we'll go edge. All right, nice thing about polygon edge is that I can keep it like that. All right, here we got a nice hexagon in the center of our square. All right, now there's just 2 commands, explode and extend. Notice when you click on the hexagon, the entire hexagon lights up. To do explode, the command is just explode, E-X-P-L-O-D-E, select objects to explode, and then hit enter. Now, disappointingly, it doesn't explode. But what it does is it takes that hexagon and it separates it so that now each individual segment is selectable. And you could even delete a segment now that it's been exploded. Okay, but that's not the thing that we want to do. What we want to do is extend. Oh, good. So you may not have the ability to select this border of skill 21, so you might need to make that border. So let's do that. Polygon. Let's do edge again. Let's do number of sides 4. And we're going to basically draw a square over the square, the cell for 21. All right. I think, honestly, that your turquoise line is on a layer that's turned off. I want to keep that layer off. But right now, I've got the layer on, so I can select it, but I can also select the black curve that I drew on top. All right, we need that because those represent the boundary of the what we're going to extend. We're going to extend each one of these lines till it hits the edge, the square here. Okay, let me show you what that means. We type extend, E-X-T-E-N-D, enter. Now, before we click on anything that we want to extend, Rhino asks for the boundary object. And then it says enter for dynamic extend. We can play around with that later. But that's my boundary object. Okay? Now, since my boundary object has been selected, I'm going to hit enter. Woohoo! Select curve to extend. Now, if I click right here, close to the edge, it's going to shoot this segment to the boundary. Boom. All right? Now, if I put it here, it's going to shoot it that way too. So this is a way of extending lines till you hit the boundary. Pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. All right, too much fun. So if you want all of them, have it do that. If you want it to look like a camera, then you just pick one. And, oops, let me hit enter. I'm going to, enter, enter. I think I've done something wrong. Control Z, Control Z. Oh, I get to do it again. That's great. Extend. Select curve to oh man. Okay, so you might do something wrong too. I'm going to start again, and to start again, I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to off-click, so nothing is selected. Now, extend. Enter. Select boundary objects. Enter when done. Now, select all of your lines just in one direction, and it looks like a camera. All right, enter when done. Great. That is explode and extend. If you want to make it prettier, you can make a tiny one. Polygon. Number of sides, 6. Edge. All right, I'm gonna make it just a little one. Okay. Explode. Off-click it. Type extend. Select boundary. And then enter when done. Now let's see. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. I think that looks great. Enter when done. If you're able to create a polygon, explode it, select a boundary, and then extend the segments, well, congratulations. Nicely done.